agua.
Hurricane Rafael is expected to make landfall in Cuba around 4 p.m. Wednesday as a Category 3 storm or higher, according to the National Hurricane Center. While Rafael is forecast to turn toward the Gulf of Mexico in the coming days, the NHC reported greater than usual uncertainty regarding Rafael's strengthening. The storm has maximum sustained winds of 115 miles per hour and is moving northwest at 14 miles per hour, according to the NHC. Life-threatening storm surges, hurricane-force winds, and large destructive surf are expected to impact western Cuba and the Isle of Youth.
Mira cómo tumba los cocos. Fíjense la velocidad que tiene el animal ese ahora.
Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to update the latest and most accurate weather information. See you in the next news.
Aquí los muchachos filmando.